You going? Take one. Here we go.
Action.
Okay.
The human voice delivers subtle messages about the type of person you are and how others perceive you. A pleasant speaking voice improves your effectiveness, your self-confidence, and makes a critical difference in the way you are perceived and the way you are treated.
Okay. It was many and many a year ago in a kingdom by the sea that a maiden lived there whom you may know by the name of Annabel Lee.
It was many and many a year ago, in a kingdom by the sea, that a maiden lived there whom you may know by the name of Annabel Lee.
And this maiden, she lived with no other thought than to love and be loved by me.
And this maiden, she lived with no other thought than to love and be loved by me.
I was a child, and she was a child, in this kingdom by the sea. But we loved with a love that was more than love, I and my Annabel Lee.
But we loved with a love that was more than love, I and my Annabel Lee.
With a love that winged seraphs of heaven coveted her and me. Okay. Coveted?
Yeah.
Coveted.
With a love that the winged seraphs of heaven coveted her and me. And this was the reason long ago, in this kingdom by the sea, a wind blew out of a cloud, chilling my beautiful Annabel Lee. The angels not so happy in heaven went envying her and me. Yes, that was the reason, as all men know in this kingdom by the sea. The wind came out of a cloud by night, chilling, killing my Annabel Lee. But our love, it was stronger by far than the love of those who were older than we, of many far wiser than we. And neither the angels in heaven above nor the demons down under the sea can ever dissever my soul with the beautiful Annabel Lee. For the moon never beams without bringing me dreams of the beautiful Annabel Lee. And the stars never rise, but I feel the bright eyes of the beautiful Annabel Lee. And so all the night tide, I lie down by the side of my darling, my life, and my bride, in her sepulchre, there by the sea, in her tomb by the swans.
Okay, I gotta do it again. I didn't say the words right.
Yeah, just like try to talk to me now, like you're gonna.
I'm talking
Yeah,
to you.
you can be loud.
Yes, I'm talking to you,
Yeah,
and I'm
now hold it
projecting
down
my
right
voice, and okay.
It was many and many a year ago.
It was many and many a year ago.
That's better.
Okay.
It's hard. It's still hard for you to project without going through your nose.
Right.
It'll happen. Does that
It
make
was
sense?
many and many a year ago.
Yeah.
In a kingdom by the sea.
Yeah. You're getting growly.
Yeah.
With a love.
With a love that the
Winged.
winged.
Okay.
With a love that the winged seraphs of heaven coveted her and me. I can hear my growl.
Yeah.
Uh,
Like but also feel free to use your hands like you're telling a story, so that your whole body, you know.
right. In her sepulchre, there by the sea. It's so sad.
That was good. Perfect. I don't think you have to do anymore.
Oh God, I couldn't even read the list.
I know it's hard.